Attention Instagram users. A new feature is here. You can now post personal notes on any reels or post. These notes have a time limit and will disappear after 3 days. You can tag your friends to alert them about your note. After posting, your friends can either share the note by tagging you or reply directly to it. Even creators themselves won't be able to see notes left by others, so your messages stay between you and your friends. Attention Instagram users. You can now use Meta AI for Instagram messaging. As you type your message, a pencil icon will appear on the left. Tap on it to access options like making your text funnier, shortening it, or adding emojis for a stylish touch. If you want to add something in your message, describe it in the text box, and Meta AI will adjust it. If you're not satisfied, you can always generate a new version and send it when you're happy with the result. Attention Instagram users. You can now see the newest comments first, making it easier to catch up on the latest reactions and discussions on posts and reels. Attention Instagram users. You can now convert any Instagram post into a sticker. There's no need to follow the account, just pick any post, and Instagram will automatically create a sticker for you. You can also manually choose the item you want to convert into a sticker. You can save your stickers to your collection and use them anytime. But currently, they're only available for use in stories and reels.
Stop typing the same message over and over. Create message shortcuts on Instagram. It's super easy. Just follow these steps. Write your message, the one you keep using. Then, add a shortcut key, like a word or number. For example, if it's a Thanksgiving message, you can add the word thanks as your shortcut. Once you've added the shortcut, just save it. Next time you're in a chat, simply type your shortcut key, and your saved message will appear automatically. You can edit it if needed, or send it right away.
Attention Instagram users. A new feature is coming. You can now post your favorite music on your story without having to attach a photo or video.